Welcome in the Containers for Microservices, Kubernetes and Docker Recipes course. My name is Tomasz Olek and I am a software engineer programming mostly in Java and Scala. I am a fan of microservices, architecture and functional programming. I am working in cloud applications on production for past 6 years. Let's see what we will learn in this course. At the beginning, we will see how to package and ship your application with Docker. So we'll be starting using Docker to ship your microservice to production. Then we'll be delving into advanced Docker tips and tricks. Third section will be about deploying and managing a Kubernetes cluster for easier operations. So we will see how can we leverage that technology to deploy our applications. Then we'll focus on troubleshooting to improve performance and security of our cloud deployment. Section number 5 will be about using pods for monitoring and storage, so we will see how can we monitor our application that is working Kubernetes engine. Sixth section will be about creating communication between containers and microservices. And finally, we will create high-performance production-ready deployment. We'll see at the techniques that could allow us to deploy application to the production. There are a couple of prerequisites, so you need to have Java and Docker and Kubernetes installed. You need to have IntelliJ IDE and modern laptop or desktop. Let's see at the target audience. So this course is designed for developers, system admins, DevOps, and IT professionals who are familiar with using Docker and Kubernetes for building containers for easier operations, increase their efficiency, productivity, and performance. This course is also good and you will equally benefit those who are struggling with issues related to operations, networking, and storage and looking for effective troubleshoot tips. Some level of proficiency with Docker and Kubernetes is assumed. And let's see and go through key features. So what you will learn from this course. At the beginning, you will learn how to create containerized microservices and deploy them on cloud with Kubernetes and Docker synergically. Then, you will see how to debug and troubleshoot most advanced Kubernetes problems related to networking, storage and operations with advanced tricks and techniques. Lastly, you will implement robust production deployments with Kubernetes to achieve zero downtime during production deployment. So let's go to the first section that will be about packaging and shipping your app with Docker.